gain fashion, come back with a big bang really, because everybody used to use it in wedding wear for the buttonholes, and it would drop all over the dinner table, and it just made a mess and drive everyone insane, but it doesn't drop anymore. If you saw a little bit, then that was something else. Dust. And silver balls! Because everyone likes balls. Okay? So first of all, we'll get our main stems. They're pretty tough. We take away any foliage that's going to enter the water, and then we find our way in the bowl. I'm going to make this like a grouped arrangement. So we're having those at the front. Then I'm going to start packing through with some of our eucalyptus. What was this called again?
Populous.
Oh, you are listening very good. I am pleased. I'm not just wasting the breath, you are taking it all in. Okay? And the one with the exotic note. It's fabulous, isn't it? I mean, it always comes in like this, and I just love those on their own when they start popping. Even nicer. So nice to have those. So we're just coming over the sides, and the lovely long slender leaf is adding another. So we need to see you guys. There we go. That's lovely. And then the black violas. I don't think I actually said that. We can get these in like a natural colour, red, browns, oranges, like a cerise colour they come in as well. They're amazing. And they just add something else to the bouquets that we're sending out. Excuse me. Oh, that's better. Now, I want to see this for its fullness. So I'm going to have this as a background, and then the pagoda will just stand away from that lovely silver shimmer. Then just going to grab the ginger and cheese, and I'm going to leave them long. Always cut on the slabs as well, so that you know it's going to get the best possible chance of taking the water up. So I'm just going to create like a fan of these. And then we'll have two. I'm just going to have to turn it round. Two at the front. Like so. And then we've got quite a good bit of space on this side, so we'll get our army in. Set in there. And we'll have the other one just hanging a bit higher. Okay. And then we'll have another eucalyptus. I'm going to put this in half. And even if you've got a little bit like that, that will do a job somewhere. So don't feel like, oh, it's a waste. We'll bring it into its place still. It'll find its way in there. And so we'll find your little home now in the front. That's it. And then just finish off with the last of the exotica. And then all the way just to add a little bit of sparkle. Take the one pick, and I've taken a branch away. And we've got a lovely group in there. I think we're going to get 3 out of this. So I think I'm going to pull them away so that we can see the full ball. We'll have that over this side. And then do up. That's it. Over the top. Okay. Right. And then, just to finish, I'm going to get the end of my bullion and do a little bit of caging. So I'm going to wrap the bullion around the head of the chin, Trinity, and bring it into the design. And then wrap the end of your bullion around the sturdy stem to hold it in place. So that's taken, so it's looking like it's got some arms, sort of got wrapped around. And then we'll do the other one on the other side. But we'll have this one coming through the top. And that is my Liverpool arrangement. Right, I'd just like to ask Leslie to come up.